What's up, plant lovers? I thought I'd try a new fun video today, showing you guys a little bit of the behind the scenes of what goes into creating our presentations on QVC. So right now I have just picked up the truck and I'm headed to the greenhouse to get some plant material to bring to the QVC studios. You can see nice and empty back there. Got all those nice pots. We have all those pots drilled into the ground, into the floor of the truck, so that when we load them with plants, they don't move around. Right now we're in the middle of March, so it's actually kind of nice and springy out, but as you know, most of our plant season is in the winter time, so we're constantly bringing plants from the greenhouse to the studios, back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. And it's definitely the most harrowing part of the job because, you know, what we do is we try to get all of our plant material to be in bloom in the winter time when it's out of season, and then transporting it, it's challenging. It's very stressful. You know, petunias that get one cold 25-degree blast of wind can totally destroy the plant in like 30 seconds. So thankfully, I'm not going to be worrying about that too much today. It's like 49 out right now, so this is pretty pristine weather for transporting plants. So, oh, all right. So my brother and sister are already here loading plants up. So this is where we keep all of our plants, and it's definitely a jungly mess right now because we've had so much airtime lately that we just haven't been able to keep on track with keeping things looking good, but there sure is a lot of color in here. So once we basically figure out what is going to be on the show, we try to bring the plants in like a day or two before the airing. So right now we're going to collect all the plants, put them into the truck, and bring them over to QVC. So this is the most fun part. Filling this baby up to the max with all these beauties. Oh yeah. Say hi.
Hey, welcome to my garden.
All right, so now this is the hardest part, driving it from the greenhouse to the studios without letting any of these precious plants fall over or get damaged. There's been plenty of fallen plants en route, particularly if you guys know the Meyer lemons that we present every year. That baby is just so top heavy. It's impossible to keep it upright on this like 10-minute journey. So if you've ever been behind a black truck that drives really, really slow in Westchester, Pennsylvania, it may be me, full of plants. So we're totally full, loaded up. Next stop, QVC Studios to unload it and make the plants look nice and pretty, put on its makeup, and get ready for the show. So the QVC Studio Park in Westchester is incredibly beautiful. A few years ago, they redid all of the landscaping. Right now, it's still a little barren because it's, you know, winter, but this place has one of the best landscape designs I've seen in the area. And then here is the gorgeous building. It's always so fun coming in here. Everyone in the studio has just such upbeat, good, positive energy. So it's always a blessing to be able to walk into the studio park and get ready for a 2-hour show. So once we get everything into the studio, this is when we start to prep it, make it look pretty, put them in more attractive containers, remove any sort of dead leaves, make the flowers look good, all those sort of stuff. So we're really blessed to be able to have some dedicated space just for our brand, which is very rare here at QVC. But you know, we've been here for 27 years, so they know that we need space to hold the plants, because without it, we wouldn't be able to operate. Any kind of pot you could ever want or desire, we probably have 1 or 5 of them. So then once we get all the plants cleaned up, we've chosen the pots, we try a bunch of different combos, and finally we decide, all right, this looks the most like it would in your home's garden. So here we have some gorgeous pentas, and this one was kind of difficult to really create a nice little scene, but it certainly helps when the flowers are looking like this. Grow everything just in the black little grower pots, and then just use a nice little cache pot so that it looks, you know, reasonably good on air. And tomorrow we have a 2-hour show from 3 to 5 p.m. So now it's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon on Friday. So time to go home, do a little yoga, and then have a good night's rest to be nice and energetic tomorrow. Say hi.
Hi, what's up, y'all?
So now it's game show. It's time to go live on TV. We have like an hour and a half before. So right now we're gonna go set everything up, take it all to the set, make it all look pretty and presentable as one cohesive show, and then on air, baby.
Wow, does this look like it's dead? Dying,
No, it looks good. Those are the kind of questions we ask ourselves before going on air. So doing some last minute touches. Unfortunately, QVC is very strict. They won't allow any recording of by the set or where we get our microphones put on, anything like that. So I'll just have to add in some photos later on, but you guys all know what the QVC looks like when we're live on air. So next stop, microphones on. After that, to the set, ready to do a 2-hour show, full of energy, caffeinated up, and ready to go. Well, with this collection, we are having the world's first ever heirloom style beefsteak tomato that can be grown in containers on your porches and patios, and you will be eating luscious, fresh tomatoes in as little as 50 days versus 120 days for the old guys.
Oh my gosh, okay, so.
Well, this is what I look like and feel like the morning after a 2-hour show. A little bit disheveled, a little bit exhausted, a lot of bit brain dead. We use so much energy and adrenaline presenting plants for a couple hours that the next day all you want to do is just curl up on the bed and sleep. But it's always so fun, so much energy, so much positivity, so much love sharing Mother Nature. And I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little bit of the behind the scenes about what goes into presenting plants on QVC with my family and my family's brand, Roberta's Gardens. You can catch us live there, pretty much every week throughout the spring, throughout the winter and spring months, every single year. So if you ever do have any questions about any plants that you've purchased from us on QVC, just leave me a note in one of our videos or on my Instagram page, and I always do my best to answer each and every one of your comments and concerns so that the plant community can continue to grow and spread and we can enjoy Mother Nature together. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me here on Plant Vibrations. I'll catch you soon. Ciao.